In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Joy-Cons not working when attached to your Nintendo Switch. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But this is going to work with an OG Nintendo Switch as well as the Switch 2, so just keep that in mind. But the first thing that you're going to want to try is a full system restart. So press and hold down on the power button up at the top of your Switch. Keep holding it down until you see power options, and then from here, tap power options, select restart, and let the console fully reboot and check to see if your Joy-Cons are working again. If they're still not responding, move on to the next thing, which is going to be a software related fix. Try using a separate controller and go down to your system settings. Open this up, scroll all the way down at the very bottom, select system, and see if there is a system update. If there's an update available, it'll install it. From here, test your Joy-Cons again once the update is complete. If your system is already up to date, we're going to move on to the next thing, which is the Joy-Cons themselves. We're going to reset them. So slide each Joy-Con off the console, press the small little sync button on the side once. This is going to turn the controller off, and then press any button on the Joy-Con to turn it back on, and slide it back on and switch to reconnect it. Repeat this process for both joysticks, obviously. But if it's still not working, hold the sync button on the remote and the light should flash green. If nothing happens and the lights stay off, the Joy-Con has pretty much been confirmed now to have no charge. So go ahead and put it in the Switch if they're not charging. There's probably some sort of debris blocking the connection, so I would recommend cleaning the rails using a cotton swab, a soft brush, or a clean toothbrush, and essentially just gently clean those metal rails on both the Joy-Con and the side of the Switch. Any dust or dirt can block the connection sometimes and prevent charging or syncing. From here, reattach it, let it charge, and test again. If any of these methods did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.